sini. Walau kau sudah benar-benar pergi, kau tetap menjadi manusia favoritku. Oh, biarkan ku menyanyikan lagu sederhana ini, hanya tercipta untukmu, untukmu. Teringat saat pertama berjumpa di sebuah warkop kurang ternama, namun perjumpaan itu adalah
kaya pa.
Malina ka, ano ba yun? Ano yung lyrics natin? We keep this love in a photograph, we make these memories for ourselves, but our eyes look video kita. Against the light pa niya. So you can keep me inside the pocket of your dreams. Music video kunwari. Against the light kasi dyan.
hello. Vlog kami. Hi vlog.
Sinong vlog ko today? Hi guys. Hi guys. Dito na natin pahabain.
Hi babe.
Kasama lang tayo.
Hi baby.
Hi baby.
Hi baby. I'm the original.
Hindi pa nga. Anong tawag mo ulit yan?
Hello. Oo nga, parang weird ba? Ha?
Cheers!
Cheers! Cheers!
Post is post oh. May post na
Wow,
baby.
I'm glowing baby.
Cheers! And mushroom pepper steak for breakfast. There you go. And we have have hot chocolate and hot coffee. Sleep again, and by then it's like 7:15. So I'll read a book, or maybe 2 or 3. To my gallery. Cheers.
Nasa impyerno, baby. Ano yan?
No. I don't wanna be in hell. Nothing beats a gentle holiday. And right now, welcome to Singapore. Yay! Ito Singapore. Wow.
Kasan so hard. We made it to Singapore.
Oo. Bako naman. Discover a wondrous world at Jewel Changi Airport. Authentic. Fit check, fit check.
Grocery day.
What's next?
Dishwashing. No.
Pabili mo lang.
Pabili ko lang. Detergent. Liquid detergent.
This one. Ay, joke lang. Ano kasi dati? H. Okay, unboxing. Gusto ko si V or Jungkook. Si.
Ano subject? Ano subject?
Oh no! Oh, really? Jungkook, magawa ko yung gusto ko. Look. Ah! It's Jungkook, baby! Jungkook! Look at that! That's so cute! Baby! May lalagay na. No. May lalagay na ako sa desk ko ulit. Nakuha ko si Jungkook. Okay, number 2. Ito yung RM ata.
RM.
Let's see kung tama. Yes, it's RM.
Paano pag dalawang Jungkook? So may lalagay isa.
Sa'yo na lang, baby.
Ako ilalagay sa akin.
Ayan. So, isang RM and isang Jungkook. Wow. First blind box.
Pop Mart 2.
Pop Mart 2. Makdo lang afford. At least to may pagkain. At hindi pa super mahal. Yung. Kaya mas gusto mo, baby.
Wala. Ayan. Gusto niya daw.
Ay, sorry.
Gusto niya rin daw.
Bye-bye.